Hey.
What's up, y'all? I'm Tasia. If you don't know, now you know, and you are now rocking with Tasiacharde. If you read the title, you already know what we're doing today, so let's get into it. I am super excited to do this video because I bought a lot of stuff. Okay, I bought a lot of stuff. I also had to get rid of a lot of makeup. A lot of old stuff went in the trash, but I got some new products, some that I haven't even used yet, so it's gonna be my first time using it today on camera. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are new to the channel, welcome in, and if you're an OG, this is for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. I want to show you guys the look that I'm recreating. It'll be here. I feel like I can do it. I don't think I'm like a makeup pro, but I feel like I can do it. Like, I feel like I do pretty good. So we're gonna get into that. I am going to be linking the items that I have in the description box in case anyone is wondering. So go check the description for all the products you see me use today. So first is brows. Brows is always really hard for me. Okay, so let's see. Brows is the hardest part for me. I don't know about everybody else. It's hard for me. Once upon a time, a long time ago, I did have the brow gel stuff that makes your eyebrows, like, you know, stay. I ran out. That's part of the makeup that I threw out today because the gel stick was gone. I used it down to the bone. So today, edge control. Yeah, like it or not, that's what we're using, because if it can hold my edges down, it can hold my eyebrows down. So yeah, we're just gonna put a little. Also, if you guys can't tell, I did my eyebrows. I did them, I think yesterday or the day before actually, but I feel like they look pretty good. But of course, we're just gonna fill them in a little bit. Okay, so I feel like that's perfect. What I use for my brows is Revlon Color Stay. Color is 225 Soft Black.
Keep it on the low, goddamn, I love it. I love it. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. I just wanna take her out and do what really supposed to do. We lay around and got time with my crew. I love it. I love it. Goddamn, I love it. I love it. I love it.
The browser, but we're just gonna move on. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna use is the NARS concealer. It is in the color medium deep 2.75 Truffle.
I love it. It's me what he told just average. Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April 6th. Okay. 15 bought me a cat. I heard he be hard on bitches. Shit, I made him fall in love with savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel. You got no time, but he say I'm the one. He must got a thing for real, bitch. I know I can get a little crazy. I know, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You owe me and I owe you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you give me deep. Ask me who my surgeon.
Keep getting me what I'm looking for.
I actually don't know if I said this part already, but I did wash my face, and I always moisturize with the Palmer's coconut oil. That's what I put on my face before I started applying makeup. So now that my brows are done and concealed, the first thing I'm gonna go into is, I guess you could say foundation, but in my case, I don't like foundation, so I use the Tint stick. It feels very light, almost as if you're not wearing foundation, but it looks good, the coverage is good. So we're gonna get into it.
He got motion and I got it too. Sexy, so connected. Put on with the pussy. Ain't have to make no spaghetti. Fell in love so bad. My friends say young forget. Pray don't play with my feelings. This shit gon' get the best.
Look at the coverage. I love it. I love it.
Wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love it. I love it.
We are all blended. Next thing we're about to go into is concealer under the eye. I'm not going to use NARS under the eye because I have very noticeable bags under my eyes and dark spots sometimes. So I'm going to use the Fenty, what is it called? Hydrating Longwear Concealer, Wear Even, in the color 335W. So it's a little bit lighter, but it's supposed to really help the under eye.
I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her.
It's me or these hoes just average. Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April 6th. Okay. 15 bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitches. Shit, I made him brought love to savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel. You got no time, but he say I'm the one. He must got a thing.
The bags are gone. The bags are gone. The dark spots are gone. We are going to go into bronzer. This is my first time using bronzer, so yeah. Okay. So I have the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, Bronze Bell.
Me happy, you give me deep. Ask me who my surgeon.
Work, you getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her.
I love you too, babe.
I love her.
Cooking, clean, silk, and fuck.
Now, I think it's time for us to go into the powder. So, the powder I have is the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. Okay, I'm gonna use my little sponge. Oh yes, that blends so well. I got some on my nose, but it blends so well. I'm sitting here setting and baking and I'm like, I'm forgetting something. My blush. I literally forgot my blush. I think I'm gonna put very little on because I don't want to mess up my powder. I got the e.l.f. liquid blush.
I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
I feel like now is a good time to put on lashes, but that part is really hard, so I might we're just gonna jump cut to lashes. Yeah, we're gonna jump cut to lashes. My eyelash glue has dried out. Yeah. My eyelash glue has dried out, so there's really not much I can do about that. Besides put on some mascara. So we're just gonna do some mascara. Yeah. But anyways, I feel like I'm rosy. It's kind of weird for me to have like blush right here, but I noticed in the look that I'm going for, the inspo picture, she's like rosy here as well as on her cheeks, but like kind of down here, which reminds me I need to put a little bit more blush a little bit down here. Yeah, okay. I guess we can do the mascara part last. So I guess right now we're gonna go into lips. To line my lips, I'm gonna have the MAC Chestnut lip liner.
play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her.
I love you too, babe.
I love her. I love her.
Cooking, clean, silking, fuck. Little bitch, I'm real bomb. I cannot relate to her. Why not? Cause my nigga love her. Favorite song, come on, his took. T-shirt and panties on. No, he love big glow for sure. His favorite red bomb. He got motion, and I got it too. Sexy, so connected. Put on with the pussy. Ain't have to make no spaghetti.
I have some also Revlon highlight. I don't know exactly what color it was. I think it's Make an Impact.
Wanna keep it on the low, goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and do what real men supposed to do. We lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her. And play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her.
It's me or so just every. Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April 6th.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I feel like it would have been 10 times better if I would have had my lashes on, but like I said, the lash glue and dried up on me, but the mascara isn't bad. The mascara isn't horrible, but this is the finished look. I feel like the lip came out a little bit more red than I wanted. I used the e.l.f. what is it called? Lip stain. I actually got it as a gift with some makeup I had bought one time. It isn't bad. I guess it's just darker than what I was going for. So I should have just left it with the pink blush and the gloss, but I still think it came out pretty cute. I love the beauty marks. Girl, yes. I feel like I'm taking it.
I love you too, babe. I love her.
Cooking, clean, silking, fuck. Little bitch, I'm real bomb. I cannot relate to her. Why not? Cause my nigga love her. Favorite song, come on, his took. T-shirt and panties on. No, he love big glow for sure.